from my shit.
It's your queen. It's your queen once again. Today. I am making African food for my king. If you are new here, I'm the queen. Ich bin die Königin. Heute ich mag afrikanisch essen für mein König. He love it, but it's a lot of work to do. But for my king, I do everything. So guys, this is called kinky. We are making kinky and fish. And I keep on saying, the reason why I don't show a lot of things is I'm not here to make food, but but if I'm cooking in the kitchen, I like you guys to come with me that we can talk. So, it's your queen. Today we are going to talk about pressure. Pressure. Heute wir reden über pressure. Wie heißt das pressure? Don't let anyone give you pressure. Nowadays, I see a lot of people under pressure. Some of it are for good things, some of it is useless. Because it's like competition. Don't let anyone give you pressure. And don't give yourself also pressure. Don't let anyone give you pressure. Pressure. Lass keine dich unter Druck setzen. Druck. Dieser Druck. Heutzutage, ich denke, unsere Gesellschaft ist Druck. Du siehst das, muss ich auch, es muss. Druck. Lass dich keiner unter Druck setzen oder mach dich selber. Hey, no pressure, kein Druck. Du gehst kaputt. Du gehst kaputt. Was sie was sie hatte, soll schön sein, soll gut so sein. Das ist dein, das ist was du hast. Du bist du bist gut so wie du bist. Mach dir keine Druck, lass dir keine dich unter Druck setzen. Das macht krank. No pressure, my people. My brother, my sister out there, no pressure. Don't let people give you pressure. If you can do it, fine. If you can't, don't force. Don't force. It's pressure. There's a lot of things going on nowadays. It's pressure. Some people will be putting pressure on their husbands. Some wives will be putting, some husbands will be putting pressure on their wives. It's pressure. It's Druck. Hey, und diese meine Freunde, hey, das ist nur letztes Jahr und der. Lass them gehen. Was sagt der Queen immer? All hands are not equal. Wie haben die das gemacht? Wo? Pressure. Das ist Druck. Das gibt dir Druck für so überlegen wie Pressure. Hey, it's your queen. Aje. No pressure. Wenn jemand 10 Kilometer laufen kann und du kannst nur 2, das ist was du kannst, lauf nur 2, setz dich nicht unter Druck. Pressure. If someone can run 10 kilometers, You can run only 2 kilometers. Run your 2 kilometers and be happy with it. Don't pressure. 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 I said this African food I'm making, it's a lot of work. And it tastes good. Hey! This girl, she just had a baby and she lost 10 kilos already. Me the queen, I'm here. Am I pressure? No. It's your queen. There's a lot of things going on that you can really see. People are really under pressure. Why? Why? This is making people sick. It's making people sick. Hey, you tell your husband, hey, look at this husband. He has made this, oh, you can pressure. This platform, we have a lot to talk about and to learn with one another. We are all learning. People don't want to hear the truth. They want to hear what will make them happy. That's the thing. Do it from your own will. Aisla? Huh? No, I'm coming. Nee, ich hab dich nicht gerufen. Do it from your own will. Don't let anything pressure you. I know we are humans. You know, I'm talking from experience. Like a lot of things that you go through make you strong. And then you don't want other people to go through again. You try to talk it out. To tell them, hey, pressure. Me, if I cannot laugh, if I cannot go 10 kilometers, if you tell me that, I'll tell you, no, I can't go there. But there are some people, they can't say it. So what does they bring? Pressure. There are a lot of things I wanted to be done before I turned 40. Some of it have been accomplished, some not. So I should put pressure on me? No. Be grateful what you have. Be grateful where you are right now. Sei dankbar, wo du jetzt bist. Sei dankbar, was du hast. Mach keinen Druck. Mach dir keinen Druck. Lass dir keine Druck machen. Wenn jemand in dein Leben kommt, du merkst, ey, seit diese Person in mein Leben ist, es gibt manche Situationen so, dein Mann, deine Freundin, deine Frau kann sagen, ey, seit diese Person in dein Leben ist, du gibst mir nur Druck. Lass dir keiner dich Druck geben. Das macht krank. Du kannst noch nicht mal richtig schlafen, du kannst nicht richtig essen, weil du Druck hast. Pressure. Pressure is killing us. It's killing us heutzutage in unserer Gesellschaft. It's killing us. It's making us sick. I always say, somebody is always going to be ahead of you. Don't put pressure on you. Don't put pressure on you. Hey, on est là. Pressure. Setzt euch nicht unter Druck. Es gibt so viel Krankheit, man weiß nicht, wo die Krankheit herkommt. Es ist solche Sachen. Druck, Angst, mir wird so viel reden. Pressure, Druck. There are a lot of things going on. You can see people are sick. You don't know, they don't find what kind of sickness. They don't know what is wrong with the person. Pressure, all these things can make sick. Because when you should have your rest, you are thinking how also you should get there, how you should do it. Why is it not working? Maybe you have to go this way, you have to do this way. Pressure. So why you should have that time, why you should have rest, because of that pressure, you cannot sleep. There are important things in life that bring us pressure that we cannot sleep. We all go through that. That's why even sometimes it's good for the body, because, you know, the queen / doctor. But not unnecessary things. Not unnecessary things. People are fighting for worth. People are fighting to get there that they can't get there. Marriages are going astray because of what? Pressure. Because you pressure the person now, it will come to a time, say, hey, I can't deal with this. So by the time you realize, things are too late. You meet people, they'll tell you, hey, I did it like this, I did it like this, and it's work. You come home, you want to try the same thing, it's not working for you. Pressure. Pressure. Sometimes at the workplaces, a lot of pressure. Because people there want to show you they are better than you. They do it like this. They have the perfect relationship. They have the perfect kids. They have there's no perfectness anywhere. Don't let the people deceive you and give you unnecessary pressure. Manchmal diese Drucksetzung unter Druck auf die Arbeitsplatz. Kollege hat das, Kollege will das zeigen, die kann das, das ist alles unter Druck setzen. Das ist alles unter Druck setzen. Ich will dir zeigen, die kann das denn. Die hat die perfekte Beziehung, perfekt Kinder unter Druck setzen. Pressure. So guys, our African food is still working hard here. Hey, this is how it looks like. So now, it's almost done. So guys, this is how finally it looks. Delicious. And this is for the king. Hello, king.
Hello.
Are you ready to have your kenke?
Yes.
I want you to taste it to tell them how it tastes. It's hot. Woo!
It's our liquor.
It's lekker. The king eating African food with his hands. It's good?
Yes, super.
I can see he's enjoying it, and I'm going to leave him to enjoy his African food. He loves it. So everybody is invited, eh?
Babe, you hear the bell? Someone's at it.
Really? So guys, the king is enjoying his African food. I'm going to enjoy mine too. Don't forget to subscribe.
Can I give you the head?
Abonneer, yeah.
Can I give you?
Until I see you in my next video. Peace out.